Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable fade in and fade out effect in Audacity. So if you would like to enable this effect, you need to set area where you want to enable fade in. For example, I will select this area and then I need to go to effect, I need to go to fading, and here we need to click fade in. After that, this effect should be successfully applied to your audio. And of course you can play track and check how it works. I recommend you to use this effect for starting parts of your video, but if you would like to add any effect to end of the video, I recommend you to use here fade out. So for example, I will select this one part of video to apply here fade out effect, and now I go to effect, I go to fading, and I select here fade out. Okay, now let's check how it works. So I click play button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how you see, it works really great. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.